In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a reviews section in Shopify Dawn theme. We're keeping this simple, clean, and totally no-code by using a reviews app that plugs right into Dawn through app blocks. Because Dawn is built on Shopify's Online Store 2.0, it supports app blocks out of the box, which means you can drop in reviews exactly where you want them without touching your theme code. First, install a reviews app. In your Shopify admin, go to Apps and open the Shopify App Store. Search for a reviews app that clearly states it supports app blocks and the Dawn theme. Many popular options offer a free tier and automatic compatibility. Check the screenshots and descriptions for features like star ratings, review carousels, and widgets for product pages. Pick one that fits your needs and install it. Next, open your theme editor. From Shopify Admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on your Dawn theme. At the top of the editor, use the template drop-down and load a product page. You can use the default product template or select a custom one if you've created it. Now add the reviews block. In the left sidebar, click Add Section or Add Block, depending on how the app presents its widgets. Scroll to the Apps or Third-Party section to find the blocks provided by your reviews app. Typical options include product reviews, product stars, or a review carousel. Add the block to your product page and drag it into position. A common spot is right under the product description or just below the Add to Cart button. When it looks good, click Save. If you want to fine-tune the look and behavior, open the app from your apps list and adjust its settings. Most apps let you control the star color, layout, whether to show just the rating or full reviews, how review request emails are handled, and moderation options. Match your brand colors, choose a layout that's easy to scan, and decide whether to display empty states or hide sections until reviews exist. Finally, test it. Visit a product page on your storefront and confirm the reviews area shows up. If the product has no reviews yet, you may see a No Reviews Yet message, or the section might be hidden depending on the app's settings. Preview on mobile and desktop to make sure spacing and placement feel natural. That's it. Your reviews section is live, styled, and ready to build trust without any custom code.